Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a curtain opening effect like TikTok in Kinemaster. So to start, you can just open the app and then click on create new. And now choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to go with 16 by 9. Click on create. Okay, so now the editing page will be open. Now you can just add the videos that you want to edit. So in here, I'm going to just use one from a Paxel. For example, I'm going to use this ones right here. Downloading the media now. Okay, now we can just go back. And this is the media. Sorry, I'm going to change this because I need to uh use the one who that are portrait. Sorry, landscape. Okay, so I've already choose the image now you can just add the curtain effect. So you can go to layer here, click on media, and here I'm going to just find the curtain effect that I downloaded before. So just click on this overlay and then go to slip. Now you can just zoom it in to fit the curtain effect with the image like this. And now click on the overlay in here, scroll down until you find the chroma key, enable it, click on the key color, I'm going to change it into the green one. Okay, so now you can just adjust the intensity of the chroma key in here, and that's it. So this is the green screen, sorry, the curtain effect. Let's see it. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.